Hi, kindergarten. We're back again today for math, and we're going to be working on place value today. And I'm so excited because we're going to be working with the tens, or we could call these longs. And we're going to be working with our little single units, or we could call these base 10 blocks, okay, or the little cubes that you have at your house. So if you can go ahead and gather these objects, we're going to be working on creating numbers and showing it with our longs or our rods and our little units. Okay, go ahead and get out 10 of your longs, and then you're going to need 10 littles or your little units. And come on back with me. Okay, we're back together again, and I'm going to move all of my 10s down low. And the reason we call this a 10, if you recall, is because it's made up of 10 little blocks or little units. So let's go ahead and count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So today we're going to be using our 10s, and we're going to be using our little 1s. These count as just 1. And we're going to be trying to show different numbers that Miss Hartman writes on her board. So once you have all your supplies, you can go ahead and take out your wipe-off marker. And I'm going to just go ahead and write down a double-digit number here. And I want to see if you can figure out how to build it using your 10s and your 1s. So let's go ahead and start with something a little bit simple. We'll start with number 10. So in order to show number 10, we're going to look at these two digits and we're going to look at the place value. Remember, this side is the 1's place and this side is the 10's place. So how many 10s do I have in the number 10? How many groups of 10? Just one. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of my 10s or my longs, and I'm going to put it right underneath that side. Now when I look over here at this side on the 1's place, the 0 represents what? What does 0 mean? That's right, nothing. So I'm not going to put any more 1s there. Now I'm going to keep that just like that, and this time I'm going to erase my 10, and I'm going to leave my 1 there in that spot, and I'm going to turn my 10 into 17. What should I do now? Go ahead and do that on your board. Good job. So now I have one group of 10 for 17. And how many 1s should I add for 17? That's right, 7 more 1s. One group of 10 plus 7 more. So I'm going to take my units and I'm going to put my 7 over on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job, kindergarten. Okay, I'm going to start with a new number now, and I'm going to move my 1s back into their spot. Maybe I'll switch sides because this side is always going to be where I need my longs and my 10s, and this side is where I use my little 1s. Okay, I'm going to try a really big number. I think that kindergarten can do it. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Let's try 27. 27, a 2 and a 7. So let's start over on the 10's side. 10's place says 2. That means 2 groups of 10. Show me how you would show 2 groups of 10. Good job. You should be taking all of your 10s and just counting out 2 groups of 10. And then we're going to move over to our 1 side. And how many more 1s will we have on this side? That's right, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 means 2 groups of 10 plus 7 more 1s. That's what that number means. Let's try a couple more together. I'm going to move that back over into its spot, get it into its little categories. Okay, let's try this one. 33. How could we make 33? How can we build that? Well, remember, if you start on the 10 side, that's the first digit you come to, we're going to count out 3 10s, 3 groups of 10. Whoa, the 30s means 3 groups of 10. 30 plus how many more 1s? 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 10 plus 3 ones makes 33. Okay, I want you to try the next one on your own. I'm going to move those back again, and I'm just going to give you the number this time, and you go ahead and see if you can build it at home. Let's try 35. Remember, you want to look at your 3. Think about what that 3 means. This is in the 10 spot. That's right, it means 3 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3. And how many more ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another way I can count this is I can say 10, 20, 30. If I counted by 10s, I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Great job today, kindergarten. Keep on practicing this. Maybe your family can give you a couple more double-digit numbers, and you can try to build them on your own. Take a picture of your work today, making some of these arrangements, and show Miss Hartman that you know how to create double-digit numbers using your tens or your rods and your little units or your base 10 blocks. Have a great day.